Hi, and welcome back. If it's your first time clicking on this channel, my name is Thomas, and this is a channel about me trying to restore a early Bronco, maybe a Healy, and a couple other trucks and a Camaro. It's all on the line to be pulled in here. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. I know it's kind of a weird way to start a video, but I just had to clean this area up. It was really getting to me. But I think tonight we're gonna do things a little different. We're gonna work on these small pieces, a couple of headlight bezels and a jack that goes right there on the fender. I'm gonna keep it. It may not be functional, but it'll be there. And I need to sand them down and paint them, make them look nicer. Anyways, that's my plan for tonight, is mess with these parts and see where we go from there. But I'm still need to get that off, and I don't feel like messing with it tonight. So that may be something we do next video. Finally get that off and fit the other one, the new one, to it, and see how it fits. But anyways, let's get busy on these parts tonight. Thought I'd bring you over to my bench. I kind of cleared it off, but I have to excuse all this in the back. I'll clean that up later. But anyways, this is what we'll be working on tonight. I think I'm going to start with this and then just go from there. This little jack still works. I tested it just a minute ago with the rod, and it still goes up. I don't know if it'll hold anything, but I'm just gonna use it mainly for looks, not to hold the Bronco up or anything like that. So I think I'm just gonna scuff the paint up a little bit, try to get some of this grease out from underneath here, and scuff the bottom up a little bit, and we'll put some primer on it. It's just mainly just gonna be a showpiece, I guess. I'm thinking about saving this headlight bezel and this other one, which I'm not sure if I can take that pretty big ding out or not. But I was thinking about saving those for my blasting cabinet, because I think I'm going to try to get that cleaned out over here where I can actually use it by tomorrow. And we'll put these in there. This is about as clean as I can get this. Just gonna show you some markings on it. Right there, it has 42928. And back here has an A. This looks like a G stamped into there. And then on this other side has a 3. Looks like a W and a 73. But I'm gonna hit this with sandpaper, try to take some of this black off of it, and I think I might try to prime it tonight. Probably gonna take this off right here, so I don't want any paint on it, just in case it does work. I don't know if that'd matter or not, but anyways, we'll sand it down and prime this tonight. All right, I think that's about as good as I'm going to be able to get it. We'll tape this part up and this part, and then we'll give it a coat of primer. Let that dry, but it's pretty good, other than, you know, some of the spots that I missed sanding and some of the grease that's still in there. But just looking for something to go back in there. And if one day I really want to make this Bronco a show vehicle, then I'll take this back out and do it proper. But anyways, doesn't turn out too bad. Tomorrow I'll flip it over so I can get underneath here and the base. And after that, we'll put it back on the shelf and wait until we need it. anyways, I think that'll be it for tonight. No, I didn't do much, just kind of messed with that jack a little bit, but I think I needed something to kind of get done with, because I've been fighting with this for too long, and I just needed to see something come together. So if you made it through this, thanks for watching the whole video, and we'll finish painting that tomorrow. I'm gonna get my blasting cabinet sorted, get all the junk off around it, and we might try to take some video of blasting those headlight bezels and see how that turns out. And then we'll get back to this, and I think I'm gonna buy some of that orange citrus stripper. We'll try it on that top rail next time. But thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe. Really helps the channel out, and really helps me out. And I guess I'll see you on the next.